Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video I'll tell you how to crochet this beautiful headband. It's very easy to do. Actually it has the braided effect. So if you like the cables but find them too difficult, I think this braided headband is the perfect project for you. For this headband I used the Alice Bourgeon batik yarn and crochet number 5 millimeters. Okay, if you're ready, let's get started. I'll start with a slip knot and then chain 18. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18. These chains determine the width of the headband. You can adjust that. I'll skip first 3 chains and make a double crochet in 4th chain from the hook. These 3 chains count as first double crochet and that's second double crochet. Then I'll make a double crochet in each of next 6 chains. 1 2. Now I have 8 double crochets. Chain 10, and slip stitch on top of last double crochet just made. Insert my hook into front loop and this yarn of double crochet and make a slip stitch. Then I'll make a double crochet in each of next 8 chains. Okay, for row 2, chain 3 and turn the work. In this row, I want to work in the back loop of each of stitches. So I'll make a double crochet in back loop of next stitch here and a double crochet in back loop of each of next 6 stitches. Okay, then chain 10 and slip stitch on top of last double crochet just made. Take 2 loops and slip stitch, and now push the chain 10 loop of previous row forward and make a double crochet in back loop of next stitch and make a double crochet in back loop of next 7 stitches. The last double crochet worked on top of chain 3. Okay, chain 3 and turn the work. I'll make a double crochet in back loop of each of next 7 stitches. chain 10, and make a slip stitch on top of last double crochet just made. And now I'll push the chain 10 loop of previous row to behind and make a double crochet in back loop of each of next 8 stitches. Chain 3 and turn the work and make a double crochet in back loop of each of next 7 stitches, then chain 10 and make a slip stitch on top of last double crochet just made, and then push the chain 10 loop of previous row forward and make a double crochet in back loop of next 8 stitches. Then I'll repeat this sequence until the length of the headband reaches the desired size. Okay, I made 30 rows totally, and I want to join both edges together with facing right side to me, the side where the loops are placed, these loops. Fold the headband in half and insert my hook into first loop of foundation chain and into this loop. Okay, and pull it through first loop. Insert my hook into same loop again and into back loop of stitch of last row. Grab the yarn and make a slip stitch. If you made the odd number of rows, you have to take both loops of the stitch, but since I made the even number of rows, I'll take back loop of stitch. Insert my hook into next loop and into back loop of next stitch. Yarn over, pull through both of them and make a slip stitch. And repeat that for all stitches the way. When I reach the middle of the headband, push the last loop inside and continue in the same way. Insert my hook into next loop and back loop of next stitch and make a slip stitch. This is last loop. I'll take it, and this is turning chain 3 and insert my hook into back loop of that and make a slip stitch, chain 1 and fasten off. Cut the yarn and weave through the end. Okay, I'll turn the headband and now I'll weave the loops to create the braided effect. Begin at the first loop and pick that, then take the loop above that and fill it through the bottom loop. Again, pick the second loop and take the loop above that and feed it through the second loop. And continue all the way along the headband. Okay, when I reach the last loop, standing that and weave the yarn through the needle and sew a button on the first row. Here, directly under the first loop, so place the bottom and sew it. Okay, and now pick the last loop and feed the button through that. Okay, it's finished and our beautiful headband is ready. As I told you, is very easy to do. I hope this will be a useful video for you. If you like that, please thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Have a nice day.